G'day folks, today I've got something really interesting to show you. It is an accessory for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 Black. This is a vlogging add-on for your existing GoPro frame, so let's just jump right in and take a closer look. Over the years, I've reviewed and featured many different vlogging cases, different frames, both plastic, aluminum. Now this one here is an attachment for your existing GoPro frame, and it allows you to attach a microphone and hold the microphone adapter. And it's different than some of the other ones that I've shown you in the past, like I said, because it makes use of your existing stock GoPro frame. So in that fact, it's very unique. So let's just take a quick look at it here. As you can see in the box, there's not much to it. You just have one plastic part, and that's basically it right there. As you can see, we have two grooves, one at the top, that's like one big long cold shoe, and at the bottom we have another groove. And all you do is line up that bottom groove with the top clasp of your Hero frame, and it just slides on there like that. So let's put this all together and we'll see how it works. So the first thing we're going to need to do is remove the door of our GoPro. And if you're new to GoPros, don't worry, this door is designed to come off. And what that does is it leaves our ports open, the USB port there, so we can plug the microphone adapter in when it's mounted in the frame. So we'll just put the GoPro into the frame, just like that. And as you can see, all our ports are exposed there. We then take this mount and we just slide it over the top. We then take our GoPro adapter and we insert it into that middle hole, just like that. And then we plug it in, just like that. The tension of this cable kind of holds everything in there, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose. So that leaves us our cold shoe up at the top there, so we can slide in a microphone. We then take our microphone TRS cable into the back of the microphone, and then into the GoPro microphone adapter. And just like that, we now have a microphone attached. And the really nice thing about this setup is that when you're done, you just remove it just like that, and you're back to just your stock case. So I can see this being really handy for a lot of people. For those who like to use the stock case, don't want to use those aluminum frames. This way, when you need your microphone, you can just slip the whole unit on just like that, plug it in, and you're good to go. So I'll leave the links down below to this product here. It's not a lot of money and definitely a great accessory to have in your GoPro camera bag. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.